lot of interest with people that want to come up and ask us questions about how we join the industry and what we do on a day-to-day basis and what they can then gain. So it's really helpful to kind of express to the young engineers, the future engineers, of what we can actually do.
So I'm quite passionate about getting women into engineering, being a young woman in engineering myself. So just seeing events like this, it's really great kind of encouraging young people and women to see what rail industry is.
It's really nice to be involved in something like this. As a company, it's nice that we're able to get involved in the local community, and personally it's nice to come and spend the day listening to children's ideas and running competitions. I think that's a really lovely thing.
It's really nice to work with the children and see how their ideas are coming together.
I hope it shows the children that there's lots of different careers, there's lots of different skills that they're able to do when they're older, and I hope it gives them a bit of a passion for designing and engineering.
Yeah, and just I hope it just helps them broaden their mind and come up with really creative ideas and work in a different way than normally they would at school.
For us, it's just a great opportunity. You know, the students will take away that immediate thing that they've solved a problem, they've done some presentations, they've got over that anxiety, they've taken a step forward in themselves with these teams. You know, what do I see? I've been able to speak to graduates. I've got a better idea of what industry is like. I haven't been in education for too many years. I've got an idea of what industry is like, so I can talk to the girls and future generations of students about what that industry is like to go into and what opportunities there are in there.
So as a charity that supports STEM skills and wants to inspire the next generation of innovators, and bringing this event together today has been absolutely fantastic, and working with Learn by Design and Millennium Point, working together, we've had over 1,100 children through the door, 28 schools. It's been incredibly interactive and it's been a great event.